You ever heard the turtle wins the race before the rabbit does because the rabbit is going too fast and the turtle is able to slow down and actually see their progress and living the fast life as a rabbit is and going fast and fast and fast, not thinking about what they're doing, their actions, not giving the time to think about their actions or anything like that because they're going so fast. Wherefore the turtle is like, takes a second, right? Slow motion is better than no motion. That's what we're going to be talking about today. Thank you for having me. My name is Kamari. This is the kforknowledge channel. And whatever I learn, I just want to come back and give the game out for free because the game is out there. You just got to find it. It's like an Easter egg. It's plenty of Easter eggs out here. You just got to find it. And some have different pieces of candy in it. Some have different pieces of money in it. But you got to find it. And it's up to you to find it. But thank you for having me. And if you've been watching these videos, I really appreciate you. If you've been liking the videos, if you've been subscribing to the channel, or if you already subscribed to the channel with notifications on, I really appreciate you. If you've been commenting on any of the videos, I really appreciate you. I really appreciate you if you just watch the video or if you're just here. The title for today, dang, why was that so hard to get out? The title for today, slow motion beats no motion. I'm thinking of the Baby Tron song, slow motion beats no motion. I be so bold and treat them so bogus. And I listen to that song from time to time because, bro, slow motion does beat no motion. If you're getting no dollars as a business, you're obviously not going nowhere. You obviously can't reinvest into the business. It's obviously not a return on interest, not a return on investment, right? But if you're getting $5 every single day from your business, you're still progressing surely but slowly, just like a turtle. So, you already know, I mean, you probably heard about what I've already said in the beginning, but let's go deeper. Let's go deeper. So, you probably heard the term, the quote, the turtle always wins the way, always wins the, what the freak is going on today? Need to slow down, gang. You probably heard the term, the turtle always wins the race. But have you ever heard the rabbit wins the race? No, you haven't. And if you heard that, somebody is lying to you. And they ought to be ashamed of lying to you. So, let me break down this analogy, right? Let's start with the rabbit first. When I think of a rabbit, I think of a fast car. Some people are in fast cars, living a fast life. Can't slow down for nothing. They want to make this amount of money in this amount of time. They want to do this in this amount of time. Not slowing down. Going fast. That's their brain. Listen to music. I'm getting turned. I'm getting lit. Oh, yeah, that's me. Yeah, I'm at the club every night. I'm at the club every day. I'm turning up. Yeah. Who winning with me? I'm getting all this money. Yeah, that's how they living, right? How long can you live like that until you get burnt out? If you're going fast, and I have done this, and this has happened to me. If you're going fast in your car, which is, I'm going back to the fast car. If you're driving fast in your car, and you drive too fast, say you're going 100 miles per hour on the highway, eventually, your tires are going to get burnt out. And therefore, your car is of no use. Because without your tires, you can't really go nowhere. You can't really go to that destination that you want because you've decided to go 100 miles per hour, which is dumb because it might be now if it's late at night, I could see it, but even then, it's still risky. Your tires are gonna be burnt out. You're not gonna have no tires. Your car is basically useless. You can't do nothing. And now you're stuck, stranded on the road. And I was there at a point in time. And I got stuck on the road and I had to call for help. My tire got car just burnt bad. I got a little nervous, shawty. Got a little nervous. But I stood 10. I stood 10. But you're now stranded on the road. You gotta call you gotta call a tow truck to come get you. You gotta call them, be like, come this way. I'm on this part. Oh shoot, yeah, I'm right here. And you didn't have no spare tire, so you're stranded. You can't do nothing. You know what I'm saying? So that's the rabbit. You go to the turtle. What does the turtle do? He takes his time. He crawls, right? In slow motion. Getting to his destination, surely, but slowly. Right? But it's going to take you some time. He gets time, or they get time. Let's say they. They get time to tread over the paths they're going, thinking about what they're doing, thinking about what their actions are. And they just keep going, living slow, not falling victim to the fast life. They might think about it, but they're a slow animal, so they really can't go that fast. So they're just going slow, right? They keep going slow. I ain't gonna do it. My arm got tired, gang. I gotta, you know what I'm saying? I gotta work up. I gotta work out later, so I gotta save my arms. They keep going. They're going slow. They're mindful of what they're doing because they have more time to think about the actions, the lifestyle, all those that evolve around it. They have more time. Versus the fast rabbit, or not even the fast rabbit, but the rabbit, which is like they constantly going at it. I get it. You want to have a fast life, but you're tired now. You out of breath, right? But the turtle is preserving its energy, preserving its endurance, which allows it to go further without burning out, versus the rabbit, which is going further and then you're losing track. Oh shoot, I'm sorry. Dang, now the turtle is in front of you. Dang, how did the turtle get in front of me? And then you're trying to get your breath back. Oh yeah, I'm a friend of the turtle. Yeah, I'm a friend of the turtle. And then, oh shoot, I'm out of breath. The turtle is still moving. No, he done got ahead of you. He might got an inch ahead of you. He's still going. You still breathing. I'm out of breath. But the turtle is still going. He ain't lost breath yet. He's still going. And you still here. And then you try to catch up to the turtle. Then you keep going in the same process. The turtle is not going in no cycle. He just going slow. So he don't have to go in a cycle. But you keep going the same cycle. Cycle of life. The cycle of fast life. The cycle of the fast life. And then, once you mature, and once you metamorphose, and once metamorphosis starts happening, you now become the turtle because you've learned from the master. So now you went from there. Okay, like I was saying before I every time I record, my storage goes out. So that was that. So eventually you start to go in metamorphosis, and then you change from the rabbit to the turtle. Now you starting to realize from the master to the turtle that endurance and being the slow is gonna bring you more success, because you're gonna have it longer. Versus if you're a rabbit, you're only having it for a certain amount of time. So it's really instant gratification versus delayed gratification. That's what I want you to learn from this video. Slow motion beats no motion. And you think it's fast motion, but really it's no motion, because you ended up going in the same cycle. Thank you for having me. My name is Kamari Daye. This is the kforknowledge channel. Make sure you turn the notifications on. I'll see you next time. Salute!